Start a business and make money online. Welcome to my video series on how to make money online as an affiliate marketer. In this first part, we're going to talk about the basics of affiliate marketing. There's lots of cool tips and information in this video, so make sure you watch all the way to the end. My favorite part is right near the end. So watch it all the way through so you don't miss anything. Basics of affiliate marketing. So you like the sound of getting into affiliate marketing, but what now? How do you decide what to start promoting and what you need to do? Well, first you want to choose a niche to focus on. Choosing a niche. It's always a good idea to focus on an area that you know a lot about and have a keen interest in, so you can maintain your motivation while you're creating content. There are also niches that are evergreen, which means they have been around a long time and are likely to be around a lot longer too, with an everlasting appeal. The main evergreen niches are generally considered to be health, beauty and wellness, so this is supplements and weight loss programs. Make money online, which are courses which show people how to make money online. Dating and relationships, so things like get your ex back, get the girl, how to be better at dating. Pets and family, so dog training, or baby proofing your apartment for a new family, new parents. Self-help, so this can involve things like how to deal with depression, how to help with stress, just how to be more productive, positive. Personal finance, investing and gambling. So personal finance could be about budgeting, investing could be about stocks, shares, Forex, tips on how to be better at that. Gambling can be ways to beat the horses or win at online casinos. Gadgets and technologies, these are often products that you see on Amazon, so maybe like VR, drones, or TVs, hi-fis are probably a bit old. TVs, DVD players, Blu-ray players, cameras, those sort of things. So should you choose a physical or a digital product? Physical products are things you can hold in your hands and they require shipping. Physical products tend to have a higher perceived value because it's something more real to them. It's more traditional, because everyone has bought one of these at some point in their life, just maybe not in your chosen niche. They're physical products, they're tangible, you can hold them in your hands. On the other hand, digital products don't require shipping, as they can be downloaded or accessed online through a link or a membership portal. Most types of digital products have a lower perceived value than a similar physical product. For example, a physical book would have a higher value than an e-book. But things like software and training courses that can be digital hold a lot more value in the eyes of the customer. You're also likely to get a better percentage of the product price as a commission with a digital product because there are less overheads involved to the product creator. So they can pass these savings on in your commissions. And this is why this is my favorite type of product to promote. So in the next video, we're going to talk about the types of products you can promote. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and tell me what sort of thing, like comment below as well, and just let me know which sort of niche you're thinking of going into. And I hope to see you in the next video.